Stop. Do not go to sleep tonight without reciting this powerful and blessed dua. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us a beautiful prayer before we sleep. The words are simple, yet profound. Bismika, Allahumma, amutu wa ahya. This means, O Allah, with your name I die and I live. Reciting this short prayer invites Allah's protection over you throughout the entire night. It is a moment of complete surrender and trust in the Almighty before resting. Make it a habit to read this every single night before closing your eyes. By doing so, you find peace and security in the remembrance of your Creator. Share this message with your family and friends to earn the reward of Sadaqah Jariyah. Spreading goodness is a beautiful way to gain blessings for both this life and hereafter. Do not miss out on this simple act of worship that brings immense spiritual comfort. Subscribe to our channel for more daily Islamic reminders and beneficial spiritual content.